This is how you should clean your mixer grinder at home. Spray some Colin. Colin is much better. The spraying Colin, you just rub it properly, and from inside you can clean like this. Just keep the cloth inside, then rotate it. Yeah, this is cool. Just rotate it. See, the dirts are getting cleaned. This part is a bit dirty, so we'll try to clean this. See, it's almost clean now. I'll do it few more times. Rotate it to and fro rotation. Yeah, come on. Oh yeah, this is clean now. This is so cool. And you can clean this upper part. Yeah, this is cool. Very clean now. Then let's clean the side. Oh yeah, very clean now. I'll clean this part now. Let's see. Insert the cloth like this, and then yeah, pull it up, pull it out. So this is how you should clean your mixer grinder at home. Very simple way to clean. Use Colin, and I've used Colin and this cloth. Done.